position.
Right.
We're running
This is
this.
their
Let's go. Mid-match it, like in between maps.
Scouting, they're not here yet. Lucio, Zarya, Hanzo, McCree,
Sorry.
Reinhardt.
Alright, I'm getting behind
Callie,
you.
I lost you.
behind him,
I don't
behind
see
him.
you.
I'm on the McCree. McCree,
I'm on
McCree. McCree should die here.
I'm with you, Callie. I found you.
Pull back, pull back, pull back.
Ryan's one. Ryan's one.
Ryan.
Ryan point,
Alright,
Ryan
Ryan's
dead.
down. Perfect.
I'm moving through
I'm on the
them,
McCree. I'm on the McCree.
I got you, Callie.
McCree. Get McCree. McCree's down.
McCree down.
Hanzo.
Back up, Shiny. Back up. You're low.
Yep.
I'll push
Okay.
through him, I'll push
got
through
you.
him. Lucio,
Thank you.
Lucio.
Alright, keep
Pull
pushing.
Get out.
I'm out.
No, we're staggering. That's fine.
No, I need a heal, Joker.
Oh, okay.
You don't have much support, Cal.
I almost had low.
Alright, I'm getting out now.
Yeah, I got you. You're fine. We have point.
I'm out.
I have ult here.
I'm coming up on it.
I got you, Callie.
Set up right. McCree top
We're
right.
going
high.
Zarya top right.
Lucio alone left. I have Guardian.
Running through them. Foul driving.
I'm on Hanzo.
I got
Hanzo.
Holding here.
I'm clear. I'm good.
Hanzo's
I
half.
got you. You're fine. Turn. Nice. Fire.
Get the staggers. Who's left?
McCree.
More I got out. More McCree. Bam.
Got him.
Back it.
All
Very
right.
nice tire.
Another great tire.
I didn't even hear it go off.
Me neither. I know it's there. I was just like, they're there. They're gone.
Scouting. Ryan coming in. They're posturing mid. They're coming mid.
Yeah,
They got the Moira.
I have a trap right by the door.
They're going for that right push.
Ryan's on the health pack.
McCree.
I got to pop
I'm
out.
on Hanzo.
Yep.
No, they got.
I booped the Ryan.
Power drive. Lucio half.
Lucio?
Half.
Ooh, I didn't know my.
High
ball.
noon.
I
got picked.
I'm
Yeah,
mining.
that should happen.
That's big high noon. No more ults.
Yeah,
Yeah.
high noon.
Down 3.
Just stall it for it. If you can.
You just stall.
Yeah, don't worry
Alright,
about it.
get out. Fuck
good.
I'm
that.
swapping.
That's
Okay.
fine.
So what? Anna?
Moira.
Moira.
Or
Okay.
Anna. I'll go
That's
Anna.
fine, yeah. I'm on McCree. He pull back. Oh, I'm low. I got Mega.
Can we get the Ryan?
Yeah, I'm on the Ryan.
Ryan half shield.
Wait for ult.
I booped him back.
Alright,
McCree
already
half.
I'm lagging. Oh,
Big
We're dead.
ult. No,
Yeah,
no,
don't worry
no.
about it. Just die.
I'm 50 now, or 60 on Nano already.
Good retreat, Catbird.
I just get out if you can, Mitchell.
Yeah,
I got out.
Stay spawn when they can't
Spawn.
damage you. Just pick down the
Trying.
Ryan shield.
I was just getting back.
Yeah, you're
Alright.
fine.
Alright, let's go.
Just shooting Ryan shield.
Hey, can you roll in, mess him up?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, I'm going in with you.
I think you're quite far enough.
That's okay.
I got Nano
The
here.
ball's going.
What did I give?
This Zarya is really
No
good.
DPS. Hey, we have no DPS.
Alright,
yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting out.
I'm reloading.
I'm
Reloading.
getting out. Oh, I didn't make it
Oh,
out. It's okay.
fuck me.
Oh my god, nope. Ah, fuck. I got stung out of it.
We're wasting time. I think since we're dive, we should go around coast.
Yeah, go far right.
Just go straight around them. Clean around them.
Well,
Can everyone make it? Oh, everyone except Anna.
Uh,
Shit.
top right. Go top right.
Oh, top right? Okay, that's fine. I was thinking coast, but... Speed us around if you can, Lucio.
I'm not in the bubble. Okay, I'm in.
I'm
Go.
all here.
I disrupted
I'm
him.
on Hanzo. Hanzo's up on high ground.
Anybody?
Good heal. I'm coming around behind him.
Hanzo on top. Main.
Swing it,
I'm on
boy.
Sorry.
I'm on Hanzo.
Lucio slept on me. I'm shattered.
Very dead.
Shit. I could have bubbled him and I didn't. I'm bad.
I gotta save you. Lucio purple in the back.
Get that Ryan.
McCree slept.
Ryan half. Oh my god.
Stay on point. I'm coming back.
Yo, McCree one dead.
Take the point. We can get it.
You can get it.
No, I'm
Zarya.
I got ball coming in. I got ball.
I'm dead.
Stay on Mitchell.
I got booped.
Oh, Mitchell.
I got booped up by the
I mean,
Lucio.
cause like we saw our presence on because we were